Hi guys, today we are going to create this. Here the example of preset. First go to light. Exposure 0.50. Contrast -60. Highlights -100. Shadow +60. Whites -100. Blacks +80. Next go to curve. Follow these steps. Now go to color. Vibrance +71. Saturation -20. Go to max. Now go to red color. Hue -10. Saturation +20. Luminance -10. Next go to orange color. Hue -10. Saturation +20. Luminance +20. Now go to yellow color. Hue -100. Saturation -40. Luminance +40. Go to green color. Hue -100. Saturation -100. Luminance +70. Now go to aqua color. Hue +40. Saturation -50. Luminance -20. Go to blue color. Hue -70. Saturation -20. Luminance -60. Now go to purple color. Saturation -100. Go to magenta color. Hue +60. Saturation -40. Luminance -20. Next go to effect. Clarity +40. Vignette -20. Midpoint down to 15. Feather up to 100. Roundness up to 70. Next go to detail. Sharpening +20. Noise reduction 20. Color noise reduction 15. detail up to 60, and finish.